This video will go over resources for current river stages as well as forecasted river stages. To get started, you will want to visit our homepage at weather.gov/Sioux Falls. Once there, you will want to click on the Rivers and Lakes link right above the map in the middle of the page, and this will bring you to the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Services page, or AHPS for short. The map that displays when you first come to this page is the current river levels across the area, with each of the dots representing a river gauge location and the color indicating the severity of the flooding. So green would be no flooding, the yellow, oranges, reds, and purples are various severities of flooding with the legend on the right-hand side here. You can find this same sort of map format for river forecast simply by clicking the river forecast tab above the map, and then you just want to adjust the time frame you are interested in with the toggle at the top of the screen here. So if we use 3 days, that would be the maximum river stages over a 3-day period. For either of these maps, you can find more information about a particular river gauge simply by zooming in on the map. You can do that with the scroll wheel on your mouse or the plus and minus signs in the upper left-hand corner of the map there. For this example, we'll use the Big Sioux River at Sioux Falls near I-90 gauge. You just simply click on the dot, and that's going to bring you to a page with more information about that particular river gauge. The first thing that's going to display is a hydrograph. So anything, all the blue lines to the left of this vertical dashed line here are the observed river levels. All of the dark maroon dots to the right of that vertical line are the forecasted river levels. The current river level is listed in the box above the map, as well as the flood stage for that river gauge location. If we scroll down a little on this page, we can find additional information such as the flood categories for that river gauge location, the historical crest for that river gauge location, and the recent crest. Scrolling down a little further gives us a few of the known impacts for different river levels at that gauge. But it's important to note that not all the impacts are listed, and it may be useful to use your own recollection and memory to relate current or forecasted river levels to past events you've experienced. Obviously, there's plenty of other pieces of information listed on this web page, but hopefully this video covers a few of the most useful key points for you.